Now that our reverse engineering model is completed, it's time to create the drawing file.
If you don't already have a blank copy of the drawing file template saved in your Google Drive, you're going to go back to the reverse engineering assignment and look for the link to the downloadable drawing file template. You can click on that and it will download at the bottom of your screen. Then when you click on that, it will open up in Autodesk Inventor.
And it opens. Now it's time to place our views. So I'm going to choose base, and it puts a base view in, and I need to change my scale to match the scale on the drawing file example. So that is here. That scale is 2:1. So now it's the correct size, and I'm going to move my front view down to the lower left-hand corner, and then I'm going to project my top view. So I'm going to click above my right side view, click, and then my isometric view, click, and then I can just click OK. So now my three views are in place, and I am ready to start dimensioning. So I'm going to go to my Annotate menu, choose Dimension, and I'm going to start in my isometric view. So I'm going to zoom in just a little bit, starting with this line. So I'm going to click and pull it out. If the Edit Dimension box pops up, you can just uncheck that so it will no longer pop up. Next, we're going to dimension the smaller box. And then the front view. And then dimensioning is done. Now it's time to add our text to the title block. So I'm going to click the text button. And then I'm going to draw a text box for my name. And let go. And before we start typing, we have to adjust our letter height. That's going to be 0.35. And then you will type your first name and your last name. So notice that my name is a little off center, so I'm going to hit escape to get out of my text function, and then I'm just going to move that text. I notice I can also adjust the text box if I need to, but I just want to get that centered up. I'm going to choose text again, and I'm going to put in my project name. Again, my letter height is 0.35. Project name is Reverse Engineering. And then my date. Because the date box is so small, I'm only going to put the month and the day. And then finally the scale. And if you'll recall, we put this object in at 2:1.
You'll go down to your Google Drive file stream.
And so now this is done. So we're ready
and
to
then
save
you're
it. So
looking
I'm going to
for
go
your design and
File,
modeling folder. You
Save
may not
As.
have some of these folders that I'm showing, but then you're going to open your Inventor folder and then change the file name to Reverse Engineering Drawing. Then hit save. And then if this particular one is going to get submitted to Classroom rather than printing, what you would do is go to File, Export, and export as a PDF rather than going through the printing process.